Hey friends, welcome to another video. If you're searching for an option to give a bit more lighting to your videos, this video is going to help you. I have recently purchased a lighting kit for my home studio. I have a small little room that I use for the creation of contents for my YouTube channel. Basically, I was depending purely on the default lighting arrangements on that room so far. However, I thought that's definitely not enough because I would like to consider the content creation as a part of my activity whenever I get time. So I thought it would be worth having a small little lighting kit for my media room. After searching a lot of different options, I have found an LED lighting kit from GIFTMAX. This lighting kit comes up with 3 different lighting options, which will be helpful for unboxing videos or over the head videos and so on. And other than this boom arm, there are 2 standing lights as well. Basically, these light stands are adjustable and expandable. It is really sturdy in construction, especially the boom arm is really sturdy. It is definitely made up of metal and it is really strong. That's what I can see. The boom arm also comes up with a sandbag. In case if you would like to give a bit more balance to the boom arm, you can either fill it up with some sands or with some weighty materials which gives a bit more balance to the boom arm. When you purchase this product from GIFTMAX, you will basically get 3 camera lights, 1 boom arm holder, 3 7-inch stands, 3 remote controls. There will be 3 hot shoe mounts. The batteries will also be provided for the remote controls. You can also adjust the lighting texture from warm white to the pure white. One good thing is that each of these lights have separate remote controls. However, there is a glitch I can clearly see with the remote controls. Even though you get 3 remote controls separately, when you operate one remote control, I can clearly see the other lights also getting disturbed or getting adjusted. So the remote control is not fully functional. It is functional in the sense like if you turn on just one light and if you wanted to control that particular light with any of these remote controls, it will function perfectly. However, if you turn on multiple lights and if you wanted to adjust the lighting conditions of one particular light, then you go a bit out of hand. However, if you adjust the suitable texture of a particular light and set it where you want, you can just switch it on and have a perfect lighting conditions for your small little home studio. When I first received this product, the remote controls were in Chinese and the plugs of the Europe standard, so I had to return the product. However, when I got the replaced product, I can see all those problems are rectified. I'm happy with the lighting conditions that you get from this particular light. This video was all about the unboxing and the basic setup of these GIFTMAX LED panel video lighting kit for your home studio. I cannot call this as a home studio. The key features of the GIFTMAX LED lighting panel are the boom arms basically are extendable and it can be rotated in the direction you want. It basically allows you to position your camera light at various angles and distances from your subject. The adjustability will give you the full control over the lighting setup, ensuring the perfect illumination for your shots. The boom arm can be basically used for a wide range of applications, including the photoshoots, video shoots, live streaming, and more. According to GIFTMAX, it is compatible with most camera lights. Though this is an affordable product which doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, you are basically getting a professional lighting result if you use this kind of a product. Other than the quality of the remote controls, I see a value in using this particular product. So I would clearly recommend using a similar sort of a product, especially the GIFTMAX LED lighting kit with the boom arm. It will really help for the content creators in getting a professional lighting setup on your small little home studios. Alright folks, that was a quick video on how to enhance the lighting setup for your small little home studios for the content creators. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you all have a great day ahead.